we all have the time. You're just allotting it or organizing it in a way where you've already prioritized it somewhere else. I want to improve my nutrition, but seem to have no time to organize this. What do you suggest? Look, if you have the money, gentlemen, honestly, man, like, get meal prep. It's what I do. And depending on what you do, like, I don't drink alcohol. I don't go out and waste money on alcohol or other things. So for me, it's actually really easy. And you don't have to have 10 meals a week like I do. So I have 2 lunches. So weekdays are covered. Breakfast is easy. Dinner is easy, honestly. But throughout the days where you lose energy, you lose power, drive, you're struggling as an organism, you're not fueling your body. But for me, those 10 meals is like $120 a week. You can find cheaper ones. I get grass-fed meat and organic free-range chicken, but anywhere from $12 to $16 a meal. And that's it. So if you have the money that you can invest in that, we've had members who've bought bikes and cars and lots of things, the amount of money they've saved on top of investing in our program by cutting away the shit and the alcohol and the drugs and smokes and meal prep. Straight, that's your best answer. Like, you want to suggest this where you don't have to mentally think, it's all there, just go. Man, get meal prep. Get it done for you. The second one is just pick twice a week, Sunday and Wednesday, where you get 2 kilos of mince. That's going to give you 6 to 8 meals. Loses a little bit of weight when it's cooked, but that's going to give you easy 6 to 8 meals, 2 kilos of mince, to a heap load of potatoes, spuds, put butter, put salt, whatever you want to do in the oven. I'm giving you a real basic thing. The mince is 6 to 10 minutes to cook. The potatoes cook themselves, obviously. Organize it into meals. You're looking in terms of, even in terms of going to the shops, if that was the only thing you had to buy. Go to the shops, cook it, put it together, put it in the fridge. You're looking at 1 hour max. Like 20 minutes in and out with the shops, and that's it. You've got what you need. 20 minutes to prep and cook. I mean, you just turn the oven off at the 45-minute mark or whatever it might be and pull it out, but 20 minutes of active time. And then 20 minutes to put it in meals, freeze some, don't freeze some if you do it again on Wednesday. You're looking at 1 hour to set you up for 6 to 8 meals. So if you want to improve your nutrition and seem to have no time, I say this with respect. We all have the time. You're just allotting it or organizing it in a way where you've already prioritized it somewhere else. That's all. And that's okay. Like, we're all busy. We all have things that we commit to. Like, no one has all the time in the world in their hands. Why? Because they commit to using it. Like, time is there to be used. Time goes anyway, and you're going to continually use it. Where you're using it, A, is probably somewhere where it can be reorganized, because we all have time to cook if we needed to. For me, it's just that extra layer of convenience so I can spend more time on HPF. That's all. I could take time away from HPF or somewhere else and cook. Absolutely, I could. But the convenience of spending that money to know that it's right there, I don't have to do anything, heat it up and eat it. Why wouldn't I? It just makes sense to me, so I can spend more time with my family and more time. But if I need to get the time, like I forgot my order last week and the cutoff time, this week I've done all my meal prep. So be it. I dedicate the time. Something else somewhere else misses out. So you do have the time. I'm not saying it's a story, but you do have the time. But if you can't prioritize it, straight away, man, do the meal prep twice a week or pay and get meals. I want to keep this as simple as possible. It's not a big mindset thing. Either say, you know what, I have to. Sunday, Wednesday, 1 hour done. Or jump online, spend 10 minutes, make an order, create a subscription, keep it rolling. You'll never have to think again.